Hello friends, it's me again, Vic Joe. We are here today at Kashiberry Park. We're gonna do some landscape photography on a lovely nature. A while ago we have a good sunny day, but yeah, the weather here changed like this. Before we start, I would like you to meet my shooting buddies for today's behind the scene. Sonia and Portia. Let me share with you a basic guideline when shooting landscape. Number 1. Use a tripod. Beware that if you're shooting handheld, ensure that the shutter speed isn't too slow. If it is, you could include camera shake. Bonus tips: much better if you have wireless remote control. Number 2. Set your shutter speed between 1/10 of a second and 3 seconds. Number 3. Set your aperture between f11 and f16. Number 4. Set your ISO into 100. However, by dialing in the settings, you have at least a starting point from which to experiment each time you go out for a shoot. Number 5. Exposure mode, set to manual. Number 6. Drive mode, set into single shot. And number 7. Always work with the weather by setting your white balance into daylight, shade, or cloudy. That's it for now. I really need to go home. It's freezing cold here. Thanks for watching, guys.